Okay, so we're gonna be walking directly down this street. I will just kind of show you what's around here. Got a Taipa cafe right here for one. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll check it all out. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this street is in Taipa. Taipa is part of Macau as well. And then right down there goes all the way down to Taipa Village, and then that goes all the way down to the casinos as well. So what we're gonna do is just kind of walk down and just kind of show you this whole part of Taipa. So let's walk down. Okay. So this is basically walking towards Taipa Central Park. There's a Manhattan over there, apartment building. So let's just kind of check it all out. We got the Sunsko. Keep on walking down here. And got a Thai restaurant to the left here. Siam. And this street, I'm not sure the name of the street. We'll walk down a little ways of it. We'll see when it becomes less interesting. Not sure exactly how we're going to take on this area, so we could actually go around the block and kind of show you this Flower City area, or we might just go straight. Let's see if she gets across the street okay. So this right here is part of the street, and you can walk all the way through to Sun City part. So I could actually make this into another video for that part, but we're gonna just keep walking down this area. So this street is kind of a busy, popular street in Taipa. Okay, let's see. We'll get the name of this in a second. But yeah, this whole little block goes all the way down to Flower City. So this is Sun City and Flower City. So Sun Mui. And then basically there's a bunch of banks here. Bank of China, this bank right here. And we're gonna follow this across the street. And then I want to, it's called Rua de Ivora. But that's the side street. The one that we're on is Rua de Keng, which is this one. So that's our street. So we basically came down that way. And then we have Rua de Ivora, which kind of goes down that way. It's Sun City. And this one, if we keep walking, which I guess we will do, we'll walk towards Central Park. I guess we'll just keep on walking down this side. Nice restaurant in there. Nice decor. So yeah, little taste of Macau for you. If we keep walking all the way down, we'll go all the way to Taipa Central Park, but I don't know if we'll go all the way down or not. Might end up just ending it at this into this corner here, just kind of see what's around us, and then we'll probably end it right there. Well, that's Rua de Keng. There you go. Then you can kind of see, so that's our Rua de Keng, all the way down like that. Let's go. Nice little area. And if we kept walking, we'd have, there's a little area down that way. That goes down to Taipa Central Park. And down here goes to the police station, which is down that way. I'm just gonna end it right on this corner right here. So that's the end of the street, Rua de Nam Keng.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.